affect the signal quality of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz, Monondaga. These counties are Brant, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz, West Olive. These counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.42475 megahertz, Hesperia. These counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz, Mount Pleasant. These counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz, Kentwood. These counties are Allegan, Berry, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz, Plainwell. These counties are Allegan, Berry, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. And on 162.425 megahertz, Wolf Lake. These counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WW.
Oh, that was not on at all, but it activated. So, yeah.